unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Yes, a vacuum leak can indeed cause jerking in your vehicle. This happens when the engine's vacuum system gets disrupted, leading to imbalanced air-fuel mixture. This imbalance often results in erratic engine behavior, such as jerking or surging. To fix this, it's crucial to identify and seal the leak. You might need to check hoses and gaskets for signs of wear or damage. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, it's advisable to seek professional help from a mechanic.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.